Hi, this is Heather from PNWBushcraft, and I just wanted to tell you guys some exciting news. We decided to expand our line of cedar bags. This is the one we sell right now, and it has the 6.5-inch diameter bottom, and we've decided we're going to go larger. So this one has a 7.5-inch bottom. We're going to go smaller, and this one has a 5.5-inch bottom. And all of these bags are going to be available in our dark oak, olive green, and field tan. And for the people that are concerned about weight, we've decided to also offer a lighter version. So now we're going to have the large, medium, and small available in the field tan color. And these ones are made out of our 4-ounce wax canvas nylon blend. So we hope you guys like the new line. Thanks for watching. Bye.